Commission tracking is the act of keeping tabs on the commission that your sales reps earn. Although paying out commissions is a fairly simple process in QuickBooks, calculating and tracking them can prove to be a challenge. Hello everyone, I'm Felipa from Method, the #1 automation tool for QuickBooks users. Today, we're going to look at how to effectively track and calculate sales commissions in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started. To record commissions in QuickBooks Online, start by navigating to the Employee section in the Payroll menu. You can then select the employee and in Pay Types, select Start or Edit. Depending on whether commissions are your employee's salary or additional pay, you'll select Commission Only or Commission, respectively. You can change the details of the commission by selecting Edit. When you're finished, click Save. While QuickBooks allows you to record commission payments, it does not currently offer a commission tracker. Using an employee commission tracker eliminates accounting mistakes, payroll uncertainty, and keeps your employees happy. Luckily, QuickBooks integrations like Method provide options to help you accurately track and calculate commissions automatically, so you can focus on higher value tasks. With Method, you can create a fully customized commission tracker to automate your specific sales process. This can include date ranges for running commissions, a search function to check commission amounts by customer invoice, and personalized sales reports for your team. If you're not yet a Method user, start by signing up for a free trial, syncing with your QuickBooks account. Use your free hour of customization services to build the perfect commission tracker for your business with the help of the Method team. Visit method.me to start a free trial. No credit card or contract required.